As the corona pandemic has hit the world and the entire community is in lockdown due to the threat of this dreaded virus, Rotarians, especially Rotarians of District 3190, have proved that they are truly people of action by providing relief to the community in the form of food rations, in the form of cooked meals, in the form of medical equipment to hospitals, or personal protection and supplies to the doctors and health workers. One such great club of District 3190, Rotary Bangalore Rajmahal Vilas, over the last 5 weeks have focused their entire service to a containment zone by providing 1700 ration kits totaling to a weight of 70 tons of ration, and every day 15 Rotarians and 15 volunteers, 30 people would commit 10 hours of their day to provide service, and a total of 2100 man hours have been put in to provide relief to the community in a containment zone.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂಥ ಸೇವೆ ಈ ಗೆದ್ದಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೇವೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬಡ ಜನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಸೇವೆನ ತಾವು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಭಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಬಡಬಗ್ಗರ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ದೇವರು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆದ್ದಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಹತ್ರ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಕೂಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನೋರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು ಸರ್. ಡೈಲಿ ವೇಜಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರೆ ಪಾಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು. ತುಂಬ ಬಿಲೋ ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ ಲೈನ್ ಜನನೇ ಇರೋದು, ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Rotary Bangalore Rajmahal Vilas is a small club consisting of about 68 members. It has been serving the Rajmahal Vilas community since 1996.
Specifically, I would like to thank the XLRI alumni and some of our Rotarians who are associated there from Rotary Bangalore Indiranagar, Rotarian Sanjay Duga, and I also would like to specifically thank 3 other Rotarians, Rotarian Jayaraman from Atinagar, Rotarian Thirumurugan from Atinagar, and Rotarian Sunil Telkar from Kalyanagar. We could talk to the local administration here, BBMP and police, and we sought their help for transporting these materials to a community hall which they had given us in Rajmahal Vilas. We thank specifically Special Commissioner Dr. Manjula IAS. We had Joint Commissioner East, Srimati Pallavi. We had Dr. Veda from the BBMP office here. Our own corporator in Ward 18, Sri Anand. Then we have a go-to man in Ward 18 and 19, Mr. Vignan Gowda.
ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಸರಿ ಕಿಟ್ಸು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಅಳತೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಏನು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದೇ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಂತೆ ನಾವು ರಾಜಮಹಲ್ ವಿಲಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಈ 7 ದಿನಗಳು. ಲಾರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ RMB ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಹಾಲ್ನವರು ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಗೆದ್ದಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಝೋನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
We were part of the backup team from day one. We worked for around a week's time and we were part of unloading the incoming dry rations and then organizing it so that it could be distributed correctly.
Initial stage was when the truck came with a whole lot of groceries. I was very shocked to see the kind of material one had to pick up. It was 25 kgs each. It was not very easy, but then with the teamwork that we had amongst ourselves, it was a great experience. It was like loading it into one area and then putting all the stickers number wise and then making sure that they were labeled properly, put them very systematically, and also moved along with it very systematically, and we made notes of it.
There were 8,000 odd people staying in that locality, completely sealed. They cannot go out. They could have had money, but they cannot purchase anything. So it was our responsibility that we had to serve them in any form.
I had a very nice opportunity to be inside the containment zone to physically distribute and monitor the distribution system along with the volunteers of Kerala. It took us around 3 to 4 days to distribute it to each and every house. There were a lot of migrant workers, maids who had lost their jobs. We saw people as far as Nepal who have been working here in some saloons and all these kind of places, and they were really happy to receive the help what Rotary provided.
Hi, I'm Alice. I'm from Nagaland. We are facing a lot of problems as we don't have the groceries due to lockdowns of that coronavirus and all. And we are very helpful. And then thank you to the Rotary Club of Bangalore. Thank you very much for their helping with us.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆದ್ದಳ್ಳಿ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯರು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೆದ್ದಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಥರ ರೆಡ್ ಝೋನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ರೋಟ್ರಿಯವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬರು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗತಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಡವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೊಂದು ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್.
We really felt very proud to do all this because the sentiments we received from them were really overwhelmed. I really thank God to give me such an opportunity to serve the community.
It was a great experience for me distributing the dry ration. Around 70 tons of materials were given to the contaminated area.
Request residents who are watching this video to join such organization and to form a bigger force which can enable helping the needy. Right, that we need a lot of such organizations to tackle a lot of issues which are at the ground level. Maybe when it comes to education, health, we need such organizations like Rotary to join hands and start focusing on very important aspect of every middle class or lower middle class families.